An open pocket is closed on 3 sides and open on the 4th. The bottom may or may not be closed. The half circle on this part can be machined more efficiently using the open pocket machining method rather than the contour. To add an open pocket toolpath, I'll select the pocket toolpath from the 2D toolpaths. I'll chain these 3 edges, then select chains, chain 1, and I'll flip the side the cutter will go on and accept these selections. I'll select the Tool tab, right click in the white space here and choose Select Library Tool. Select Filter, set the tool diameter equal to 1 inch and accept this. I'll select the 1-inch end mill and accept this selection. I'll set the cutting speed to 100 feet per minute, the feed per tooth to 0.01, enable the rapid retract, set the plunge rate to 20, and machine the large half circle. I'll now select the cut parameters, and the pocket type I'll switch to open. The overlap is how far away from the pocket the tool will start. I'll accept this default value. I'll set the stock to leave on floors to 0 because this pocket goes through the part, and I'll enable the checkbox for Use Open Pocket Cutting Method. If this box is not checked, then the tool will feed down into the solid material as is done for the previous pocket types. The Use Standard Pockets for Closed Chain option is in case I mess up and selected the open pocket when it's not an open pocket. The open pocket cutting method will have the tool plunge outside of the material on the open end and then feed into the pocket. I'll select the Roughing tab, and if I try to select the cutting method, I can't. This is because the open pocket method is being used. I'll set the step over percentage to 70. I'll enable the breakthrough, set this value to 0.025, turn the flood coolant on, and accept these selections. Here we can see the cutting pattern. I'll select the Verify simulator and play the simulation.